Ano ang sa inyo? Natamimi kayo, ano?
Hey, what's up mga lodi natin dyan? Good morning at kumusta pong lahat? It's me, Dugong Pinoy. Nagbabalik po mga idols. For today's video mga idols, samahan niyo ako na mag-react dito sa isang video courtesy by Ton Ras sa kanyang Facebook page mga idol. Please follow sa kanyang Facebook page. At grabe, no? Maaliw kayo dito at magugustuhan nito. So, isang couple lang naman mga idol na kumanta po ng If I Ever Fall in Love Again. Nako, talaga magugustuhan ito. Let's go mga idol. But don't forget to like and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel, Ton Ras. Let's go mga idol. Ayan na.
I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again.
Wow, ang ganda ng rendition nila mga idol. Panalo. Yung ano nila, no? Galing talaga.
Yes, I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
And I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside.
Ooh,
In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try.
oh yeah, so if I ever fall in love again,
Napaka-relax kumanta ang dalawa.
this broken heart can mend.
I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
Sana all.
If I ever fall in love again, I fool to ever let you go.
You're the best thing in my life. When I know I've gotta take it slow.
Sana all.
Yan po ang ating Ton Ras couple mga idol. Ang galing. Malupit ang mga boses ni Ate at
I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Ayan ang ating Ton Ras mga idol. Please palike and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel kung nagustuhan nyo po ang kanilang rendition. Grabe. If I Ever Fall in Love Again with Ken Roger and Anne Marie. Ton Ras mga idol, please supportan po natin ang kanilang Facebook page. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please palike and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel at please pakomento naman ang iyong opinion. Hanggang dito na ako mga idol. Maraming salamat. Basta may Dugong Pinoy. Talagang malupit yan. God bless mga idol.